Welcome children, welcome to Lakshmi Max Academy. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.4 of class 7 Max, right? And it is division part. So division means first you should know what is reciprocal, then it is easy for you to do the division sums. So reciprocal is nothing but just to flip the number. Flip means you have to write, if suppose 3 by 4, first question it is 3 by 4. So if you flip the number, in place of 3, 4 will come, and 4 place 3 will come. Just to write reverse order, right? That is the reciprocal of the number. So first we have to find the reciprocal, then we have to multiply with normal way. That way it is, right? So question number 1 is that find 12 divided by 3 upon 4. This is the question. 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So which number you have to reciprocate, which should be divide, that is after the division symbol which number is there, for that you have to find the reciprocal. So 3 by 4, so reciprocal of 3 by 4 is, flip the number, it is 4 upon 3. Now this reciprocal should be multiplied with the given number. Okay, so 12, once you reciprocaled, then division become multiplication. So 12 multiplied by 4 upon 3, right? Now you know that how to multiply. Directly you can multiply. 12 fours are 48 upon 1 into 3 is 3. Now you can convert this one into mixed fraction also, but this is exactly divisible by this number, because 48 can be divisible by 3, that you can cancel it. 1 3s are 3 and 16 3s are, right? 16 3s are 48, right? So answer is 16. I hope this sum is clear. We will do one more sum so that it is more clear for you. Now I will take one mixed fraction so that easily you can solve it. Question number 6, that is 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. So what we have to do, whenever mixed fraction given, convert into improper. So 5 divided by 3 4 by 7, if you converted, 21 plus 4 25 by 7. No, 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 by 7. What is the next step when division? Yes, you have to find the reciprocal of 25 by 7. So reciprocal of 25 by 7, if you find out, that is 7 upon 25. Now this 7 upon 25 will be multiplied with 5. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 7 upon 25. Here no denominator, so 1. Now we can cancel diagonally now, because both can be divided by 5. So 1 5 and 5 5s are 25. So it is 1 into 7 is 7 upon 1 into 5 is 5. 7 by 5 is the answer. This is the way you can solve rest of the sums too. It is easy for you to do. And question number 2. Come to the question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocal as proper, improper and whole number. It's very simple. Just you find out the reciprocal. 3 by 7. 3 by 7 reciprocal is, flip the number, it is 7 by 3. You know, 7 by 3. Once the denominator is less than the numerator, then it become improper, right? So if the numerator is bigger, then it is improper. And 5 by 8, here if you write it 8 by 5, so 8 by 5 means again it is which one? It is 8 by 5 means it is improper. Again here 9 by 7, when you flip 9 by 7, so what it becomes? 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9 means it is proper, because numerator is lesser than the denominator. So 7 by 9 is proper. And next question is of 6 upon 5. So when you write it 6 upon 5, it will become 5 upon 6. Yes. So 5 upon 6 means it is proper. And if you check say, 7th one, 1 by 11. This we can write it 11 by 1. 11 by 1 can be written 11 also. So it is whole number. And 8 by 1 by 8 also we can write it means 8 by 1. So 8 is a whole number. And 12 by 7. 12 by 7 means we can write it 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 means it is proper. Right? I hope question number 2 is clear for you. And question number 3. Again the same way. 7 divided by 3. 7 by 3 divided by 2. Right? So here instead of left hand side, right hand side is given the whole number. Right? Now how you will solve this sum? First question is of first question. It is 7 by 3 divided by 2. Right? Already I told you whenever for division is given you have to find the reciprocal. That too which number you have to find the reciprocal? Which is given after the division symbol. So this number you have to find the reciprocal. We know that now denominator means we have to take as 1. Now if you find the reciprocal of 2 by 1, what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is, yes, 1 by 2. Right? So reciprocal is 1 by 2. Now you can multiply with this one. So 7 by 3 multiply by 1 by 2. So 7 into 1 is 7 and 3 into 2 is 6. So it is 7 by 6. The same way you can solve the sum. Here I will take one mixed fraction too so that it is easy for you. Right? Second one, 4 3 by 7 divide by 7. 4 3 by 7 divide by 7. So if it is 4 3 by 7 divide by 7. So 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 31 by 7. So 4 7s are 28 plus 3, it is 31 by 7. Now we converted the mixed fraction to improper. And improper, after that it is divided by 7. Divide by 7 means first you have to find the reciprocal of 7. So reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. So 31 by 7 and it is 1 by 7. Right? So 31 by 7 multiply by 1 by 7. 31 into 1 is 31. 7 into 7 is 49. So the answer is 31 by 49. Like that. If you can convert into mixed, this is like proper one, we could not convert to mixed fraction also. So first what we will do, 4 3 by 7 is a mixed fraction. That mixed fraction has to be converted into improper. So 7 4s are 28 plus 3 31 by 7. Divide by 7. 7 you have to find the reciprocal. After the division symbol which number is given, that you have to find out the reciprocal. So 7 reciprocal is 1 by 7. Again 31 by 7 we find out the reciprocal, so we are multiplying it. So 1 by 7. 31 into 1 is 31. 7 into 7 is 49 is the value. I hope this sum is clear for you. And the same method we are going to be do in question number 4 also. But here two fractions are there, so don't confuse which number has to be taken as the reciprocal. Always keep in mind after the division symbol whichever number or fraction or mixed fraction is given means for that only you have to find out the reciprocal. Right? For that you have to find out the reciprocal. Keep in mind. So now question number 4 we are going to solve. Question number 4 mein first one we will take it. We will take the second one. It is easy for you. First one also it's very simple. So if you solve the second one, I hope you will be better clear about that one, because it is 1 and 2 only that you can solve by your own. Right. Question number 2, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. What we have to do first? Yes, reciprocal we have to find out. Reciprocal of which number? After the division, which number is given, which fraction is given for that. So reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now we got the reciprocal, then multiply. 4 by 9 acids multiplied by 3 by 2. Right? Here you see diagonally we can cancel the number because 3, 9, 2, 4 both can be cancelled. So 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Same way 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Right? So the answer is 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 into 3 is 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer for question number 2. I hope this is clear. Now we will take two mixed fraction so that it is easy to understand. You can solve the rest of the question. Question number 8. I'll solve it. 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. Both are mixed fraction. So what you have to do first? Convert into improper. 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 divided by 1 into 5 is 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Now what do you have to do? Yes, reciprocal. Reciprocal of which number? Yes, 6 by 5. Reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Okay. Reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Now 11 by 5 multiply by 5 by 6. We can cancel it diagonally. 1 5 is 1 5. So 11 into 1 is 11. 1 into 6 is 6. So answer is 11 by 6. I hope this sum is clear. So we have complete. I just explained 2.4 exercise 2 to 1 or 2 sums. So rest of the sum you can solve it by your own because it is simple exercise. So I did not solve all the sums. You can solve it by your own. It will be a practice too, right? You will get clear idea. Is there any clarification? You can say in my comment box. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you, children.